Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. This is going to be my second. I already kind of started it in my face for today. It is later in the day. It is 1 o'clock ish. I did start my day late. Flo is coming and I literally feel super drained and exhausted and I freaking hate it, but it is what it is. So I am just kind of doing my face a little bit right now. Honestly, just for the vlog and to be productive. I am one of those people that if I do not have makeup on, I kind of feel lazy and like I don't get as much done as I want to. So I am just like quickly doing my eyebrows. I literally put the Anastasia brow gel and then I use my soap brows that I get at Beauty Bay. $3, and I just kind of fluffed up my eyebrows. I haven't even been using product on it for a while. I only use it when I go to work and just put a little bit and that's it. I put some Rare Beauty eyeliner. It actually died, so I threw it over there, and I used my Sephora one, which is pretty much empty as well. On my complexion, I literally put the Ordinary Caffeine Solution under eye. I put this in my little fridge. It is like a serum, and it feels really, really good underneath your eyes. You could put it in your regular fridge as well. Just make sure everybody knows in the house that it's that food. I'm gonna put it underneath my eyes, and it really helps, you know, bounce your skin, your under eye area up. And the cold does feel amazing as well. Then I use my Tatcha Dewy Skin Moisturizer. I was obsessed with the Inkulus one, which I actually really want to buy another one because it is really good. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go ahead. This has honestly been sitting on my face for a little bit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer. And I decided to use the e.l.f. hydrating concealer in the shade Light Beige. This is actually the lighter shade that I have, which is like my skin tone right now. They're actually coming out with the BB cream, which I really want to get because I do like BB creams and I do like this concealer, so I feel like I'm going to like that one, which actually I believe comes out the 9th, which is going to be when I upload this video. So today it should be out. I do really want to get it, so let me know if you're getting anything from that. I think it has SPF 35, which you should wear SPF every day, so even if you're leaving your house or even if you're not, because I do use ring lights, I am on the computer all the time, so all that stuff does damage your skin, not just the sun, guys. I know a lot of people don't believe that. And I do like wearing my skincare even when I'm in the house. Your skin can get dehydrated with the heater, so throwing that out there. I don't know what time my husband's actually getting out of work today, but I am going to be cleaning this beauty room, which is such a hot mess right now. I have Christmas gifts there. It's just a hot mess. I probably not deep clean this room since I reorganized it, which is really sad. I literally come in here, I mean, when I go to work, do a little bit of makeup. I probably come in this room like 2 times out of the week, just because I film my reels for Instagram, and then I do my makeup a little bit for work, and then today, and that was it. I literally come in here when I film, but I really do need to deep clean it. There's like dust everywhere, and I have really bad allergies. So let's go ahead and start cleaning up this mess. And then once my husband texts me that he's out of work, I'm probably gonna start dinner, and then I'm gonna continue on the cleaning spree of today. Let's get some coffee and welcome to my second Vlogmas video. Anybody that actually has been to my house know what usually my beauty room is like the cleanest room. I don't want to show you guys in detail because I do have some Christmas gifts chilling around here, but this is really bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and literally take everything off of the freaking counter and wipe everything down. I take all my freaking palettes down. Let's pray that I have no fatalities and nothing breaks, because I shall, oh, dark, I shall cry. I'm making sopa toscana now that my room is done. Still gotta clean everything else, but I need to start making dinner. So I'm making soup toscana today from Olive Garden. Have all the ingredients here. So I have some bacon, some heavy whipping cream, chicken soup, watching private practice, an onion, garlic, potatoes, and kale. Wish me luck. Guys, nice and clean. It's taking me all day, I swear. Yeah. Oh, freaking die. So much fun. Like, who even cares to see my bathroom? But it's clean. And yeah, this Mr. Hanky. Compliments of my husband. That's his Christmas decorations. And the frozen lake. And I cleaned Baby Yoda's guest room. He got his little hat on. And I put some Christmas decor in here as well. Not that anybody is staying in here anytime soon, but. And the Christmas tree. It's like a medium sized one. But it is very pretty. And I do have a candle on over there as well. And it is sweater weather, which is actually one of my favorites. And the upstairs bathroom as well, nothing really special. And then I also cleaned our bedroom. I like my bedroom severely boring. Like it needs to be boring. But I just cleaned everything, melting some stuff there. This is like so ugly, but I love this thing. So, and then my little white Christmas tree. I mean, it's on, but the lights are kind of dim. I just didn't want to get rid of it, to be honest. But there's not really anything special about that whatsoever. I just really wanted to put something there. But yeah, that is really it for today. All I really did was clean all day. Tomorrow I am tackling the kitchen, taking everything down, emptying out drawers. Sure, my drawers are still actually pretty neat from the last time, but you know, gotta clean out, make sure there's no expired food and stuff. So that's what I'm doing tomorrow. I'm going to take a shower and play some Sims and call it a day. I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I hope it's not too short or too boring. That's life right now. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I did post dinner there. Sopa Toscana. Yes, I did. It's real. And I put it on TikTok, even though I don't TikTok. I'm not good at TikTok, but yeah. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.